y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a FASHOM unboxing and try on. We're going to do it a little bit different. But first, if you are here because you watched my live video on FASHOM's Facebook page, then welcome. Thank you for visiting this video. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe while you're here. If you're not new here, you are very familiar with FASHOM. You know what we do in these types of videos. But you also know that this week we go to Jamaica. I have been talking about this trip. I can't tell you for how long. You can probably tell me more about how long I've been talking about it, but we officially leave tomorrow, so I'm so excited to go. Yes, I filmed a pack with me type video. That's the next one that you will see, where we shop my own closet, last minute things. We're gonna do tanning, nails, that sort of stuff. But I am gonna vlog while we're in Jamaica, but you won't see that for a while. So if you have Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'll create a highlight reel so you can follow along and have fun while we're in Jamaica, in real time. But the reason that you're here is for FASHOM. All right, so FASHOM, if you're not familiar, clothing and accessory subscription box. I've been subscribed to FASHOM for a very, very long time. There is a $15 styling fee, but the first one is free. So I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in signing up, because FASHOM is definitely one of the more affordable subscription boxes that I do. That $15 styling fee is credited towards whatever you keep. They also do extra deals, more deals than any other box I subscribe to, if you keep 3 or 4 things or all things, but we'll get into all of that. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is this denim jacket that I'm wearing. This is the brand 151 Jeans. It is $63. It's a size 2X, but it's this cropped little denim jacket. I like that it's cropped. It's that stretchy denim material, so I'm not feeling what is that movie? Big Man in a Little Coat? You know what I'm talking about. So it's that very stretchy material. I like that it's long, but you can also roll it. So I have 2 denim jackets currently. One is a light wash one I got from Target. Another one is a dark wash, fringe one from Kato. But neither of them are this little bit of a cropped. And I really like that. So I think that this one is really cute. $63 is a little bit pricey. I think the one from Target and Kato probably were 40 or 50 bucks a piece. So it's not much more. But I just like this medium wash. I don't have one this color. I think it's a really good fit. I love the crop. So I think it's cute. Next thing, I'm just going to take that jacket off. So this is a Gilly, Gilli, I think. I can never remember how to say it. This is in a size 2X. It's snakeskin printed, so y'all know that I'm into it. It's called a 2-tiered top. 42 bucks. It has this bit of lining underneath it. It is a tad bit cropped, you can see right there, but I really like this, how it kind of cinches in right there. I think it's just a cute little added detail. It is a little bit snug on the bust, but to be fair, I am wearing a bra that kind of has a little bit more padding in it, so I think I would probably just wear one that had no padding and then I would be fine, because you can see it's a little bit snug. I guess not. Maybe not. Anyway, okay, so here's the back. Here's the front. This, I don't know. So FASHOM gives you the option. They send you 7 or 8 things, and you have the option to say, these are the 5 that I want based on that list. And so as soon as I spotted this, I thought, well, yeah, we want the snakeskin printed top. It's also a nicer top. Imagine this with a pair of dress pants, because it is so high in the neck. I think it's really appropriate for work. You could also pair it with a blazer or something. I just thought it was really cute. Also, please don't mind my farmer's tan. That's ending soon, I promise. I just wear shirts, I guess, that hit right here, and I work outside. Next up we have is this Chris and Carol brand, size 2X. How much is it? This one is $35. Okay, so Chris and Carol is a brand, in my opinion, that does run a little bit small, but I do think that this top is also meant to be a little bit cropped and a little bit tight. That's how it looked on the model, in the preview. I don't mind it. I didn't realize the stripes were green when it came in the preview, so I appreciate that. Here we go, side view. I don't know if I would wear this because it is a little bit tight and a little bit short, but I like the idea of it, and the more I had it on, I thought, could you layer it? So imagine this, it's fall, it's winter, and you have this like really pretty green colored cardigan that you want to wear. Wear this, tuck it into some high-waisted jeans, wear the cardigan and some little white sneakers. Could be a cute outfit. So the next top we have, Skies Are Blue is the brand. It's called the Wrapped Sweater with Side Ribbon Tie, size 2X, $46. I don't have a side ribbon tie. Okay, so it's just this outer piece. I just paired or put on a black tank top underneath it. How pretty is this? I don't own anything like this. I love the navy. I love the coral. I love that it has this like knot with these cute palms on it in the front. This is so different and just so cute. I feel like it's a nice like take on a kimono / long sleeve like flowy top. I don't really know how to describe it, but it fits absolutely perfect. It does have elastic around the wrist, which I appreciate. I don't know, it's just really pretty. And once it starts to get a little bit cool outside, but not cold, this is perfect. Pair it with a tank top like this, or put like a thin long sleeve tee underneath it, and you've just got this like cute piece. So I like it. I'm very impressed with this. This is what I'm looking for, like exactly things like this when I do these subscription boxes, things that I don't own already, and I don't own anything like this. It's just different, and it's very cute. And the very last thing in my box are these like beautiful green colored jeggings. These are the same brand as that Denim Jacket 151 jeans. These are called the Basic Ponte pants. $58 in a size 20. These fit so well. They are super high-waisted, fake pockets though. Like, that's the only thing. There are actual pockets in the back, but in the front, they're fake pockets. Okay, this color is absolutely gorgeous. These kind of pants, like the skinny ankle, I love because these are perfect for tucking into boots or wearing little booties or wearing little tennis shoes. I think is so cute. And these feel so nice, and they're such, I don't know, they're such a good fit, and I like how high-waisted they are. So these are also a win. So now that you've seen everything, let's talk prices. The total for everything in my box is $244. How FASHOM works, if you keep all things in the box, all 5 items, you get 30% off. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get 25% off. So spoiler, I ended up keeping everything. I really liked the pieces, and I felt like they're things that I don't own already in my closet. So I got the 30% off minus the $15 styling fee. I paid $155 for everything. So I'll leave a direct link to sign up for FASHOM in the description box down below. I'm reading this now on my little style card, and it says, if you sign up using that link, you get a $10 credit. So it's free to sign up plus the $10 towards whatever you choose to keep. All right, that is a wrap on this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.